In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam in your Canon Imageclass MF643Cdw printer. We can see there is a paper stuck in the ADF tray while we were scanning, so we can just remove it. So you can lift it from here and take this paper out, and we can just close it. Now in case you have a paper jam inside the printer, what you can do is you can just go to the back of the printer. At the back you will see there is an option to open this section, and you can easily take the paper out from here, and once you clear the paper jam, just close it. On the main screen, click on the next, click next, click next. If you were scanning, then you can just place the pages which are left here. This way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.